Hi, welcome to Kidoscope. I'm glad to see here. Let's go to another letter T. So we have already completed Phoenix sound of S and A. Now let us go to T. So whoever watching my videos of Phoenix for first time, they don't know what is the screen. But if they go through the S letter and A letter, they can relate to this slide. So I'm just giving one more time the example of phonics sounds and letters. So as every animal has a sound, likewise every letter in English alphabet has a unique sound. So just to make kids understand, we need to start with the animal sounds. For example, dog will have bo bo bo. Likewise, S sound is for letter S. What is the sound? Letter S sound? A, a, a. So let's go to T sound. The sound of letter T is T, T, as in tub, tab, tank, trunk, tree, train, tractor. So let's say a song that uh, gives the T sound. Let's practice with these songs with actions of tennis actions. So kids will be engaged with this. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta, my head goes back and forth. So with the actions, we can easily engage them. So let's go to some words which start with t sound. So teddy, tissues, telescope, teapot, tadpole, tree, tower. So this is my favorite game as usual. So play the I Spy game every day so that you can repeat or revise a number of letter sounds with this I Spy. I spy with my little eyes. To he go and get me one thing that start with T. So if the kid is not able to recollect the names of things which start with T sound, you can give them some clues. It will be in a round shape, it is in a red color, it will be used in our kitchen to make curries, like that. So they will easily grasp the clues and they will go and search for it. That will be very useful one to this aspect game will give them memory the language skills they develop, and this phonetics also we can easily simply by playing the game we can revise them. So tomato thing. So another activity I am introducing now. So circle the picture with beginning sound a, ba, k, or you can give T and T letter pictures. So now I have to circle a sound. It is cap. No, it is not with a. It is bell. The sound begins on the b and yes, I need to circle and here. So balloon. Does it start with b? Yes, I need to circle this. And is it start with the S? The alligator? No, A sound. The camel? Yes. And this cursor, and is it start with cursor? No. This bird, is it start with cursor? No. Cat, is it start with cursor? Yes, you need to circle. Likewise. And another activity is write the beginning letter of the picture. So by seeing the picture, bat, bat. So what is the beginning letter? B. Cap. What's the beginning letter? C. Dog, dog. What is the beginning letter? Dog. Log. What is the beginning letter? L. Like this. So we can give them a practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you are a parent or a guardian watching for the first time, please subscribe so that you will get educational videos for free, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you.